The Excision SKS 15 Auto Bevelling machine is a high-powered automated tool used for creating welding-ready bevels on linear plates of any shearable material. It cuts bevels from 5 to 40 mm thick, with an adjustable angle of 15 degree to 50 degree without part replacements. The machine is self-feeding, ensuring consistent and accurate bevels. It also features an automatic safety shutoff for proper material clamping. Versatile and powerful, it is suitable for various industries, including construction, metal fabrication, aerospace, and heavy machinery manufacturing. The KNG Tony 5-watt wireless charging pad is a Qi-certified, affordable, and compact device that can charge any Qi-compatible device at a 5-watt speed. It has a built-in LED indicator, a water-resistant and dust-proof design, and comes with a Type-C charging cable and a 5V1 USB adapter. While it may not be the fastest option available, it offers reliable wireless charging for your devices. The Primegrip Clawverine is a durable and rust-proof pry-bar tool designed for roofing applications. Its patented head with 6 nail pullers allows for easy nail removal without damaging shingles or flashing. The flat claw end provides easy penetration and prying without causing damage. The tool's high-quality construction ensures long-term use. However, it can be a bit heavy and comes with a higher price tag compared to other pry-bar tools. Overall, it is a versatile and reliable choice for roofing tasks. The Tolsen 65516 is a portable 12-volt power air inflator with a maximum pressure of 100 pounds per square inch, suitable for inflating car and bicycle tires and other inflatable items. It operates using a 12V direct current car lighter socket, making it convenient for use anywhere with a car battery. The inflator comes with 3 nozzles for different applications and is relatively lightweight at 2.2 pounds, making it travel-friendly. While it may not be the fastest option, it is a reliable and affordable choice for inflating car tires. The pitch hopper is a high-density foam roofing tool that enhances safety and efficiency when working on steep roofs. Placed with the steeper side down, it grips securely to the shingles, preventing slipping and providing a stable work surface. Available in 24-inch and 32-inch sizes, it suits various roof pitches. Roofing professionals find it beneficial due to increased safety, efficiency, and reduced fatigue. As a relatively new tool, the pitch hopper has gained popularity for its practical and effective design, making steep roof work safer and more comfortable. The concrete form board brackets offer a one-person system for positioning and adjusting wooden forms, rebar, and wooden metal stakes, eliminating the need for batter boards and frames. This efficient tool quickly lays out mason's lines for accurate corner panels and a level plane, reducing material usage and labor. With the bracket tool, a single person can easily handle form positioning, reducing costs and time during foundation and slab construction. The system streamlines the mason's lines procedure, saving time and effort while maintaining precision in construction tasks. The Weldy hot air heat gun car wrapping kit is a professional-grade heat gun designed for car wrapping applications. With a powerful 2,000-watt motor and temperatures up to 650 degrees Celsius, it offers precise temperature control with its digital display. The kit includes various nozzles for different tasks like heat shrinking, loosening screws, and applying vinyl wrap. Additionally, a heat protection device prevents overheating. Versatile and durable, this kit is ideal for car wrapping professionals and various other tasks requiring a high-powered heat gun. The Wagner Smart Edge Roller is a convenient paint roller designed for easy and efficient painting around edges and trim. It features a built-in paint reservoir holding up to 6 ounces, eliminating the need for frequent dipping into a paint tray. The roller also includes a trim guard to prevent paint from splattering on the trim. With a comfortable grip and durable construction, this tool is ideal for hassle-free painting and avoiding the mess of traditional paint trays. The Jorgensen Easy Hold 4-piece expandable clamp is a versatile set of steel clamps, designed for woodworking and DIY projects. With a zinc-plated finish for corrosion resistance, they have a quick release lever and can open up to 6 inches. These clamps are ideal for gluing boards, holding workpieces while sawing or drilling, spreading glue or caulk, and securing objects to a work surface. Lightweight and easy to carry, they are suitable for both home and professional use. The Jorgensen Easy Hold 4-piece expandable clamp is easy to use, durable, and affordable. making it an excellent choice for various tasks. The Excision AllClear Fume Extraction System is a portable and versatile fume extractor designed to remove harmful particles, including welding fumes, from the air. With a HEPA filter capturing 99.97% of particles, the exhaust fan expels filtered air outside, while the arm with a suction nozzle directs airflow to the source of fumes. It is easy to use, maintain, and transport, making it suitable for welding shops, fabrication facilities, and construction sites. The system offers numerous benefits, such as protecting workers from respiratory problems, improving air quality, and aiding compliance with safety regulations. Overall, the Excision AllClear Fume Extraction System is an effective and affordable tool for workplaces dealing with welding fumes. The KNG Tony 6521 S-type pipe wrench is a versatile and durable professional-grade tool designed for various pipe applications. Its unique S-shaped design allows secure gripping of pipes of different sizes and shapes, while the self-locking mechanism prevents slipping. Made of high-quality steel with a chrome finish, the wrench is heat-treated for added durability. Its comfortable grip ensures easy use in turning pipes, installing, removing fittings, and working on plumbing, HVAC systems, cars, and trucks. Lightweight and portable, it is a convenient option for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. The KNG Tony 6521 S-type pipe wrench is an affordable, reliable, and valuable addition to any toolkit. The TERA pump TREP01TXL is a versatile and efficient battery-powered fuel transfer pump. It can handle gasoline, diesel, kerosene, and other flammable liquids. With a flow rate of 2.1 gallons per minute and a 10-foot suction lift, it is powered by 2 D-cell batteries, providing up to 2 hours of runtime. The built-in filter prevents contaminants from entering the fuel system, and the LED light allows easy use in low-light conditions. It's perfect for various tasks like transferring fuel, draining vehicle tanks, or filling outdoor equipment. Lightweight and portable, the TERA pump TREP01TXL is a reliable and affordable solution for both home and professional use. The Zircon Exit Point XL500 is a powerful and precise through-hole drill designed for drilling holes in wood, metal, and plastic. With speeds of up to 30,000 revolutions per minute and variable speed control, it ensures accurate drilling for various materials. The built-in laser guide projects a red dot for precise alignment, while the dust collection system keeps the work area clean. It's perfect for tasks like drilling holes for screws, wiring, mounting hardware, and jewelry making. Lightweight and easy to use, the Zircon Exit Point XL500 is suitable for both professional and home use. Thank you for watching this video on Top Tech Tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.